Here's the situation. People hate ads and pushy sales tactics. Want to know what they love? They love cool, interesting. Your customers want to read thought-provoking articles they can share with their friends and that will make them look wicked smart. So if your online ads just aren't cutting it, it might be time to move beyond pushy marketing tactics and try your hand at brand publishing. In just 8 easy lessons, I'll show you what it takes to be the next Red Bull, or the next Adobe, or the next Leafs by Snoop, if that's your thing. We'll help you answer common questions like, what the heck's a brand publication? And who the hell are you? I'm Stephanie, by the way, your instructor. But also questions like, what's my brand voice? And how do I deliver it through my content? What kind of articles should I publish? And what format should they take? What makes a great headline? And can I really pull this off? And much, much more. So let's get started.